What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. It is me, Charles, and today we are going to be talking about my 44-inch Key Largo / Staff Enterprise Snoopy ceiling fan from 1984 to 1985. Yeah. So I got this at an antique mall locally to me for like 30-something bucks, and it did not have any brackets or blades. So if you're wondering why those are not original, then that's why. I got those blades off of eBay, and then the brackets I went and to Lowe's and found some. So let's get into it. Yeah, so this is supposed to be a 48-inch ceiling fan, but I have 52-inch brackets on there, and then the blades are, I think, 42-inch for like a 42-inch fan. So for some reason, if you combine that, you get a 44-inch ceiling fan. So it's kind of its own size. Here is the light. By the way, the pull chains are completely custom. I might leave the light on for most of the video, just because it's again dark over here. But let's fire it up. Here is low. Let's kick it up to medium. Now this fan blows a lot of air, and I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because the motor is designed to have heavier blades on there, and these blades are not as heavy, so they move faster. I don't really know. We can kick it up to high. The airflow from this thing is unbelievable. I'm not joking when I say this is probably the best performance out of all the ceiling fans I have. This and my Hunter Dimensions, I think, have the best performance in my whole collection. I just think the RPM is so high that the airflow is increased with it. And now we'll turn it off to get that spin down. The spin down is not that great, but I have not oiled this fan yet, so might just need some oil. So if you watch the restoration video of this fan, you might be thinking, man, those brackets look different. That is correct. The original brackets I found for this fan were from a hugger, and it caused the blades to kind of sit low, and the brackets were bent and not that great. So that's why today, the day I'm recording this video, I just got some new brackets and installed them. So an interesting fact about this fan is apparently this model was recalled in the early 80s for having a faulty mounting bracket. Apparently they were just a flimsy piece of metal and were known to break. Now, when I got this fan, it was having no globe, obviously no bulb. The whole front nose of the fan was bent, and obviously there was no blades. That led to me thinking that maybe this fan, had fallen, and obviously the globe shattered, and maybe the blades broke or cracked, and someone probably just let it sit outside in like a garage or something, because there is a little bit of rust on the top. Probably sat in a box in someone's garage or basement for many, many, many years, and here we are. Of course, I have a different mounting bracket that's not going to break, and I have since fixed all the problems it had. I think the light kit is original, although I'm not sure what these original ones, if they came with a light or not, but I'm pretty sure mine's original because it was already on there. And I found a Smurfs model on eBay that has the same light kit, so I'm guessing that's probably original. This fan originally would have had just regular blue blades and just white brackets, or might have been blue, I don't even know. So I think these blades look a lot better on this fan. Now, if those blades look familiar, it's because they come off another pretty popular Snoopy ceiling fan. It's a Hugger from, I think, the later 80s, from a different brand. I don't know much about it. But it's supposed to be a Snoopy sports theme. So if you see like Snoopy over here playing tennis on that one blade. So I got lucky. Someone was just selling the blades on eBay for a decent price, and I got them. So I got very lucky in that manner. The pull chains were also purchased from eBay just because I didn't have any other pull chains, and they were, I needed them to be longer. So yeah, I'll show the reverse side real quick, and then we'll get some close-ups, and maybe even a startup sound if this one has one. I don't know. I'm not going to show the whole reverse, but just proving that it works. Now, I know what it is backwards. The upward position on the switch actually goes down. I'm not sure. I just probably need to fix some wires in there. But let's get some close-ups. These are the pull chains. Found a Flying Ace one, similar to the one on the side of the fan. Found a Joe Cool Snoopy. That was for the light. There's the model information. I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. This piece on the canopy is broken. But other than that, the condition is not too bad, besides these scratches on the nose here. All the switches on this fan have been replaced as well. And if you'd like to know more about how I fixed this fan, you can see the restoration video that'll be uploaded before this one. If I'm not mistaken, there might be a startup sound, I don't know. Maybe not. Thought there was. Oh yeah, and the tops of the blades are just white, if you're wondering. So for some weird reason you didn't want the Snoopy side, you can use white. If you guys enjoyed this video, I'll see you guys in the next one.